Hi, I'm Patty with Holyland Marketplace. The Scriptures is a literal translation of the Bible. Now, it differs from the most common English translations by restoring the original book order of the Hebrew Scriptures, the Old Testament, and restores the name of the Most High. It also includes the original Hebrew names of people and places, and the names of all the books of the Old Testament are restored to the original Hebrew. Here at Holyland Marketplace, we carry the Scriptures in softcover, hardcover, and large print. So to see our entire selection of the Scriptures, visit us at holylandmarketplace.com. That's all I have for today. Thanks for your time. See you again.
Consider joining us today and support God's people. Go and check out holylandmarketplace.com.